Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time like this. In the appeared menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode. When you see this screen and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the appeared menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option, enter Fastboot, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here at this mode, just like in the previous one, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.